Welcome back to the Waterside Holiday Group. Today we're at Chesil Beach Holiday Park to take a look at our lowest price holiday home, the Carnaby Weymouth. This is a 2-bedroom holiday home situated in Portland View, a lovely quiet area of the park and only a couple of minutes away from the facilities. As you come inside, you'll notice a nice open plan design with lots of windows going around, bringing in natural light. And as we can see, it's a nice modern design with the herringbone style flooring and a fully equipped kitchen. So inside of here, we've got the oven, grill and the hob. Over to this side, the built-in microwave, the sink, and to the other side, we have the fridge freezer, a really handy storage cupboard as you enter, and your boiler cupboard, as we do have full central heating and double glazing throughout. Coming past your dining table and benches, we come into your lounge area. This is a really nice space with a big wraparound sofa, so there's plenty of seating to get the whole family together. Across from this, we have your media area with some storage, as well as a spot for a television. We do include a brand new 42-inch smart TV along with the purchase. Included will be your bedding, your inventory items, including pots, plates, pans, cups, saucers, even a toaster and a kettle. First door on the right hand side is going to be your twin bedroom. We've got 2 single beds, a nice big wardrobe and a mirror inside of there. We do also have USB charging, super handy for all of those devices. Coming back down the hall, we come to the family shower room with a large walk-in shower, basin, toilet, and last but not least is your master bedroom. There is so much space in here. It spreads the full 12-foot width of the holiday home. We've got the double bed, dressing area, and a large double wardrobe. This holiday home is available to view right now. If you would like to find out more or inquire on this holiday home, just give us a call on 01 305 836 836 or click the link below.